Hello, we are receiving a lot of queries regarding our approach to totality, drug selection, potency, repetition schedule and so on. So we thought it is proper to discuss the subject of homeopathy and integrative medical care in a systematic way. This approach falls under the category of complementary and alternative medicine. Many approaches are included under this category. We have chosen homeopathy as the main therapeutic approach with supportive concept from Ayurveda, especially the preventive aspects. Of course, wherever necessary, it is necessary to refer patient for allopathic treatment, either medical or surgical. Instead of going into the theoretical discussion, let us be pragmatic and start with the practice itself. For this, we have to conceive of a human being in a particular way. This is very important. Look at this figure which I have displayed on the board. Because any patient is human being first before he becomes a patient. Now if you study this figure a little more closely, this left hand side lower down, what is shown is the human body with cells, tissues, organs and naturally the control system in the form of psycho, neuro, endocrine mechanism. This is our body which operates in a sort of, like a machine. Now look at the left hand side upper portion where naturally we have a body as well as we, when we say I am, what is there when I say I am? It is our mind which works and we rather study and interact with the world around with the mind, and that is what is shown in this left hand side upper portion. So we have a body and we have a mind, and we have to take care of both when we say integrative medical care. Now look at this right hand side, the lower portion of the right hand side. There we have shown about the care of our body. That means, and we have included homeopathy and integrative medical care as the best approach for taking care of our body machine. Now look at the right hand side, the upper part, which is very important. Ultimately we live life. So this part deals with the phenomena of life and how to live life. It's a philosophical aspect, but it is to be included when we take care of patient. As I said, integrative medical care is an holistic approach, and this is very necessary that we take care of what we call as we talk to the patient about the life itself, because whether health or disease is a part and parcel of the life we live. Unfortunately, the modern medicine or the practice of medicine which is prevalent today doesn't include all this. It's a mechanistic approach which is of course has its own what we call as the advantages, but it overshadowed this truth that a patient is a human being first. And the practice of homeopathy and integrative medical care demands that we give due consideration to this aspect of our being. Next time we'll discuss homeopathy. We'll start discussing homeopathic therapy, and that's what we plan to do. Thank you.